Hello folks, welcome to bsptrainings.com. My name is Amit and today I'm going to show you how to write 13 months rolling expression in Tableau. It's a part of advanced data modeling, part second. Please watch part 1 video as well. In today's session, we'll use a custom SQL query to design a 13 months rolling expression. Before I proceed further, I'll show you the business requirement over here. We'll be using this model and my data source will remain Oracle. In this model, one of my dimension is called promotion. So what is exactly the requirement? Let me explain you. I have a business requirement as it's given over here. There's a dimension called dim promotion. Now dim promotion dimension is a historical dimension and it goes close to 500,000 records. Right? I don't want to bring all the records. My business want to see only active promotion. So the definition of active promotion is any promotion begin date is fall in between current date and 13 months before. It is called active promotion. It is also called 13 months rolling. So my business like to see only those promotion which is from current date and 13 months before. But in order to write 13 months before expression, I need to write a SQL query. Because I'm using Oracle, my SQL query is going to be like this. I explained you this query. Before I proceed further, this query consists of two parts. I have a correlated part. From clause, this inner query returns numbers from 1 to 13 and I will be subtracting these numbers from my current month. So current month minus 1, current month minus 2, current month minus 3, and it turns out to be 13 months before. I'll use this nested query to pass my promotion begin date and we'll be able to fetch only those records which are active. Before I proceed further, I like to process this query and show you. I'll see the first part of the query. When I execute the whole query, what do I get? When I process the whole query, copy and paste over here, I find 13 months before. 13 months, first day of the given month. So 13 months before is September, October, November, December, and so on. I wanted my month should be in between these days, right? So let's split this query, understand how it works. The first inner part of the query returns 13 numbers, 0 to 13. And I'll pass this with my current date. I run the inner part of the query and I find number 0 to 13, 0 to 12. Then what I do, I'll subtract this number from my current month. Look at this part of this. It is used in inner part of the SQL query. In the outer part of the SQL query, I'm using add month function. First I use truncate, which extract only month from the given date, because I need to find out 13 months before. I subtract only months. Minus rn is a variable over here, an alias name of row number minus 1, so it's the value of rn is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So when I subtract current month minus 0, current month minus 0, current month minus 1, current month minus 2, and so on, it will subtract 13 months from the current month, right? So this way I can see, and the format over here ddmmyy, I use a two-character function to convert this into this format. I convert this into this format because the format of my promotion is, the promotion begin date is in ddmmyy format, ddmonYY. Therefore I need to ensure that my format is remain same. Now we know the query. Let's see how to use this in our expression. So I'll use the data source Tableau 8.1. I'm using it, and data source is Oracle. In the whole data model, using for the sake of simplicity, I'll use one dimension called promotion, and my fact is sales fact. I'll create a new database connection. My data source is Oracle, and specify other details like my server name. Because I installed Oracle in my local system, I'll be using localhost. You could have used IP address or name of your server. My service name is ORCL and port is default port 1521. I'll pass a credential over here. Username is SH. There's a pre-built schema in Oracle and password. Then I click on connect. I'll be using multiple data sources. My source is, I'll take one fact table and click on multiple table and select another dimension called promotion. And promotion dimension, what all the column I need, I'll take it up and I go to my, click on OK and look at my custom expression. This is my custom expression. I'll copy this And here in this custom expression I add another computed expression where promotion begin date in between current date and this is my promotion begin date should be between, I use a clause system date and I'll write a system date over here and this date, sorry, the one which I have written expression. And I'll take a system date in the format I need it. I need system date in the same format, so I'll stitch my expression. So my expression is my begin date in between my system date and 13 months before. I could have used over here correlated query as I'll supposed to be putting it inside my parenthesis. Alternatively, I could have used in operator if I wanted my date should be in between. So you can use this expression SQL query as per your requirement. I'll be using begin date in between my 13 months. Click on OK and now OK. I'll be connecting live and extracting this data in the next step, connecting live, and I can drag and drop couple of column and check my 13 months rolling expression working or not. I'll drag product category over here, product category, and all the promotion I like to see which fall between this expression. Taking a little time in extracting. So I'll take product category over here and my promotion begin date. Promotion begin date is a date column, and finally I use over here different promotions and my promotion expense or amount sold. I'll put it over here in my fact. Because I have got only one dimension, I don't have a cross column and rows expression, column and rows layout both together. And because I have only one dimension, I'll put directly my facts over here. I don't have any data in this example which meet the criteria, therefore you see I don't get any output, but my query expression is correct. This is a demonstration, this is an example which shows you can write any complex expression in your Tableau as long as it is syntactically correct from data source side. So this is a simple example of writing SQL expression. In subsequent session I'm going to show you more complex expression, more advanced example of Tableau data modeling. Thanks for watching today's session. Have a great day ahead, and please write to us if you have any question, or you can visit our site www.bisptrainings.com.